by EZVIZ. This is their smart home camera. They sent this unit for our review, and I can't wait to show it to you. And this is what the unit looks like. It's so tiny, but so powerful, and actually should be mounted this way. This is how it actually works. It's got 350 degrees rotation this way with the internal motor. Also, it can actually tilt up and down 80 degrees, which is really, really nifty if you want to get all of those angles. So before we actually start installing it and checking out the app, because it does come with a really powerful app that's super easy to use, they've got smart AI tracking, which means it can actually differentiate between people, cars, and pets, which is awesome. And it's got lights, flashlights. So it will emit not only an alarm if you choose so a siren, actually a pretty powerful siren, but it will turn on the lights as well and kind of like flash if there's movement at night if you want to have that option on. Totally doable with this unit. And they also offer a cloud service to back up all of that footage. But if you don't want to use a cloud service, just use internal memory, well, you can actually add that memory right here. There's an SD card slot. You just have to screw that out, open it up, put in a up to 512 gigabyte card in here. Awesome. You'll have weeks and weeks of footage. And as I said previously, of course, it's got a motion sensor, tracking, and all that good stuff, but it also has night vision and it is weatherproof, so you can install that anywhere outdoors. Speaking of quick install, let's talk about what you actually need. So you've got two cables coming out of it, and one of them is an Ethernet input. So basically, put in an Ethernet, run it all the way to your router, so this will be connected to the internet. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet. And the second thing that they do provide is the power cable. So of course, you need to be powering that motor and that camera right there. So let's start installing it and configuring it with the app. So the really nice thing about it is the little manual. You've got a QR code here. You just can extend that manual and get a lot more information. And there's also a very easy to use app that's available for Google Play Store or the iOS store. So let me tell you, I installed it right over here, as you can tell, and it's been set up within seconds. Linked it with my Apple account. You can link it to your Google account, no problems whatsoever. And it works perfectly. Look at that. Crisp image. The colors are true. Very, very fluid. So I really like that. The frame rate is incredible. I can definitely see that as a very, very potable security camera. You're not going to miss any sort of detail. It does track. It does move. It was so easy to just with a little QR code behind the camera, boop, the app recognized it automatically. I put a password, and the security system of it is really, really fantastic. I love the app design. You can decide on the different definition if you want to have lower definition for a more time on that storage device of yours. But right now I'm going full HD, and it is super, super good. It does also come with a 7-day trial for the cloud service if you want to check it out. I'm not checking it out just yet, and it is super stable. Like I said, connected, plug and play, literally, virtually the easiest camera I've ever set up. So I'm a big fan. And you can also easily share the access to the camera with any members of family or friends that you wish. They just have to download the app, and away they go. You give them access. Now let's see what it can do with the floodlight and the alarm. So let's try both. Alarm first. So extremely loud, exactly what you want. Now let's check out the floodlight. Of course, there's a lot of light here, but let's see if it's actually powerful enough. Very cool. And all that controllable with my phone. And the one feature that I think you are going to love is the PTZ feature. And no 350-degree camera would be complete without that feature. I can actually control it, and you could see it turning as I'm panning left and right and tilting up and down, and it's doing its thing right now. This camera really has it all, but I say this camera, but it's of course the EZVIZ app and the EZVIZ camera. So you can actually get a bunch of these or accessorize with different other types of EZVIZ camera, and all of them will be controlled with your app. It's fantastic. Get your home secured, get your home security upgraded. Definitely check out EZVIZ. It's fantastic.